Asus C300M is such a device. With its dual-core Intel N2830 CPU, it has low-end specs for a laptop but more processing power than most other Chromebooks. It's not the first to market with more screen for your money. In fact, there are devices that have broken through the 1080p display barrier. The C300M doesn't, but the design, specs, performance, and price point still make for a machine that's worth a look. But a word of warning first, you may need to put on your sunglasses. Chromebooks are usually a bit plasticky, and that's fine when you're paying £200, around $250 in the US, in the case of this model, or thereabouts for a computer you can chuck in a rucksack. The Asus C300M just about falls into that ballpark, with a lid barely 5mm thick and a casing that's distinctly springy in places. The build is solid though, and it looks reassuringly like a standard notebook until you pick it up.